How long will my sharp chain last? That's the number one question we get asked today. If you could follow a few basic steps and recommendations, we will successfully help you monitor and extend the life of your Omega Solutions sharp chain. By following these simple steps, we can help you stay away from costly, unscheduled sharp chain replacements. To help extend the life of your sharp chain, there are 4 things to consider. 1. Proper alignment. 2. Proper lubrication. 3. Take-up pressure. And 4. Staying away from the silent chain killer. Alignment. To achieve maximum performance and recovery with your sharp chain, a couple things need to happen. 1. Ensure that your support track is straight and cross level, avoiding any unnecessary twist. 2. Line your sprockets up to the wear bar and center bar. Use the wear bar for a height reference. Use the center bar for a center reference. After checking your support track and sprockets, it is now time to check the return. Do not underestimate your sharp chain return. Ensure that the return is lined up between the sprockets. Adjust all side guides to capture the chain level on the return. After alignment of the sharp chain components, it is time to check the sawing area. Ensure that the chip heads have the proper lead and that the anvils are placed correctly. After doing so, it is time to check the band mill guides and or saw guides. These need to be parallel to the sharp chain at all times. Lubrication. When applying oil to the sharp chain pins and connecting links correctly, you will extend the life of your sharp chain. You should apply oil with a pressurized system, creating a diagonal spray pattern across the slot of the sharp chain on the return. By getting oil to the pins and connectors, you will in turn create a film of oil on the chain that will carry up to the wear bar and center bar. The correct oil to use on your sharp chain should be an oil that has EP additives and wicking additives to get into the pin area of the chain where the shock loading does the most damage. Our Omega SD oil additive can be blended with a filtered waste oil or hydraulic oil for optimum performance. You can have a perfect alignment and proper lubrication and still kill a sharp chain with too much take-up pressure. The take-up pressure should be set so that the chain can operate in reverse without any hang points. The silent chain killer can be the costliest mistake and the cheapest to avoid. Ensure that your sharp chain has a clear path free of any obstructions on the top side and return side. Check your thumper rows and hold down rows to ensure that they cannot reach the top of the sharp chain even with a cylinder rod failure. Let us help you get a longer life out of your Omega sharp chain.